This demonstration is going to be a very quick demonstration and showing the features of the text database. The text database is a database that is used by the CAD drawings and the CAD drawings only in the ARCAD 4.0 software. To activate the text database, load up your project in the ARCAD 4.0 client software. Click on the Tag Database Text Utilities tab at the top and then click on the Text Database button. This activates the user interface to access the text database. When you run it for the first time, you'll be presented with a window as shown here, and at this point the user should set up the table. Click on the Setup Table button and all the CAD drawings are scanned, and every single instance of text will be located inside this database as individual records. The text database records normal text, user shape and user border names, cross-reference descriptor text, and cross-reference bubble text. The real power of the text database comes in its search and replace utilities. Let's give a quick demonstration of this. Let's say I want to find a particular type of text located anywhere in the CAD drawings. Type in the text that you want to find in the text edit box and click the search button. In this case, I found 4 cross-reference bubbles that have cross-reference descriptor text set to the text that I've specified in this text edit block. Double-clicking any of these entries will of course hyperlink and activate up the CAD editor and take you right to the text in question. Here it is here. Now if I want to actually replace the text, let's get back into the text database and we can show how that we can do this. I'm just going to copy this text out of this box. I'll put it into the search criteria box in the search and replace tab. Click search and it finds it. So let's replace this text automatically. And I'll just type in something here to confirm that this is just basically a demonstration. I'm going to turn off the confirm replacement checkbox here because it can be kind of time consuming, because if that is activated, it'll ask you and prompt you if you want to change each record, and it can take a little while if you've got a lot of text records to change. So I'll turn that off for this demonstration. Click the replace text button and you'll see now that the text has actually been modified inside the database. But at this point the CAD drawings haven't been affected. So in order to affect the CAD drawings, we go over to the Commit Changes in Database and Drawing section and simply click the Commit button. And now we have the changes actually made inside the CAD drawings. So let's open up that CAD drawing and I'll show you that the text has actually been changed inside the cross-reference bubble. And there it is. As well too, if you're affecting text that involves any cross-reference bubbles, the cross-reference database will also be updated instantly with the text database program. And if I choose to hyperlink to any one of these, you'll see that the other ones have also been affected as well too and changed. So that's a quick demonstration as to how to change cross-reference text. I want to show also at this point how we can also change user borders and user shapes. Let's open up that CAD drawing again. Let's take a closer look at the border that's used inside this CAD drawing. This is the standard AH board that is used in all of the CAD drawings actually in this sample project. And I'm going to add in this drawing here a new border that I want to use. And I've already created one called ABC board. I'm just going to temporarily place it in here so that you can see the differences between the two, because it's basically a snapshot copy of the AH border, with the exception of the fact that I've added in some text inside this border where it says company ABC. So if I were to use the existing tool set offered by ABB, the way to change every border inside every CAD drawing would be to manually load up each CAD drawing, identify the border, and delete it, and then add in this new border. Let's show you how you can do this using the text database and manipulate numerous CAD drawings in one shot. So let's open up our text database again. The database is all set up. Let's do the search and replace, and I'm going to do a search now for that border. I type in the name of the border in the search criteria text edit box and click the search button, and it's found 29 records. That coincides with the fact that there are 29 CAD files inside this project. So I know that every single CAD drawing uses this border. So let's replace it with the new border. Turn off the confirm replacement. Click the replace text button. It changes it in the database. Now let's commit the changes, but notice before I actually change and commit the changes in the CAD drawings, some new controls have popped up inside the commit changes in the database and drawing section. Because I'm manipulating either a user shape or a user border, I can specify an offset value in CAD units where the origin should be so that it lines up perfectly with the rest of the entities inside each CAD drawing. Now because I've made this border exactly the same way as the old AH board, I don't have to specify an offset. So at this point I'll simply click the commit button. It'll apply the updates to the database and then change the CAD drawings. Let's load up the CAD drawing again and take a look at the border. You will now see that every CAD drawing has the new border here with the company ABC text found inside the border. I'll load up any other CAD drawing here. And here we see this other CAD drawing with the same border as well too. So that concludes this demonstration of the text database editor.